Hi guys, today we are going to see how you can use your phone as a webcam. Let's say you want to make video calls or online meetings on your computer, but you don't have a webcam to capture the video. So instead of using a webcam, you want to use your phone camera as a webcam and attend your video calls. You can do that by watching this video. So after watching this video, you will be able to use your phone as a webcam to attend any video calls or meetings. And you'll have the same video quality in the video calls or meetings as you have on your phone. And also, you can save the money instead of buying a new webcam. Okay, I'm Brian from Website Learners and let's get started. Now to use your phone as a webcam, we are going to do 3 steps. The first step is to download a software on your computer called Iriun Webcam. This is the software which is going to help us use our phone as a webcam. So to download the software, just click the link below this video and it will take you to this page. Now here you can download the software based on the OS you have. I'm going to select Windows. So let's click here. As you can see, the software has been downloaded on our computer. Once you have downloaded the software, we can now go to step 2, which is to install this Iriun Webcam software. Once we install this software, the webcam will be installed on our computer. So to install it, let's open the file we have downloaded. And you will get this box. Now let's enable this option. Click Next. Then again click Next. And then click Install. Now the Iriun webcam will be installed on our computer. So let's click Finish. And we will get this window. So now we have successfully installed the webcam on our computer. Once you have installed the webcam, we can now go to step 3, which is to install the Iriun Webcam app on your phone. Only then you will be able to use your phone as a webcam. So to install this webcam app on your phone, take your phone, go to the Play Store. Here, search for Iriun. And you will get this app. Now to install the webcam app, let's click Install. And as you can see, the webcam app has been installed. Once you have installed the app on your phone, you can now start using your phone as a webcam. So to use your phone as a webcam, you need to connect your phone to your computer. So to connect your phone to your computer, there are 2 ways. The first way you can connect it is by using the Wi-Fi network. And the next way to connect it is by using the USB cable. So first, let's see how you can connect your phone to your computer using the Wi-Fi network. So to connect it, first, let's make sure your phone and your computer are connected with the same Wi-Fi network like this and with a good internet connection. Once you have done that, take your phone. So now we have the webcam app on our phone. Now to connect your phone to your computer, let's open the app. Click Continue. Then you will get this page. Now to allow Iriun to access your camera, let's click here. Then again click here to record your audio. And then you will get this page. Once you have done that, open the webcam software which you have installed on your computer. As you can see, we have successfully connected our phone to our computer using the Wi-Fi network. Okay. Currently, the camera is sharing the back view. Now to show the front view, just click here. You can now see your visual. Okay, as you can see that the view is in landscape. Now to change it to portrait, just click here. And it will take you to this page. Now click here. Choose portrait. And now if we go back, you can see that the view has been changed to portrait. This is how you can connect your phone to your computer using the Wi-Fi network. Okay, now let's see how you can use your phone as a webcam. So let's say you want to attend a meeting or video call on your computer. Since we have connected our phone to a computer using a Wi-Fi network, we can use a phone as a webcam. To do that, just go to the video call which you have. As I have a Zoom meeting right now, I'm going to go there. So now we are in the Zoom meeting. Now to turn on the video, just click here. Now to use the camera, click here. And here you can see the webcam which we installed. So let's select that. Here you can see that our phone has been connected as a webcam and it shows our visual. So now you can use your phone as a webcam and keep your video on to attend any meetings or video calls. Okay, next let's see the second way to connect your phone to your computer, which is to use the USB cable. As we are going to use the USB cable, we don't need to connect to the Wi-Fi network. So to connect your phone to your computer using the USB cable, first we need to enable the developer mode on our phone. So to do that, take your phone, go to settings, now scroll down, then click on About Phone and you will get this page. Now to enable the developer mode, click on the build number 7 times. You can see that we have enabled the developer mode. Now these steps may vary based on your mobile phone. So for other mobile phones, like we did before, you can click on version for 7 times to get the developer mode enabled. Okay, once you have enabled the developer mode, now you need to connect your phone to your computer using a USB cable. So let's do that. Once you have done that, open the webcam app on your phone and click Continue. Now it will ask you to enable USB debugging. Since we have connected our phone to our computer using the USB cable, we need to enable USB debugging on our phone, which helps us to connect and transfer data from an Android device to a computer. So to do that, let's click here and it will take you to this page. Now scroll down and enable this USB debugging. Then click OK. And the USB debugging will be enabled. Once you have done that, click here. As you can see, it is waiting for the connection. So let's open the webcam software on our computer. Here you can see that our phone has been successfully connected to our computer, which means we can now use our phone as a webcam. So to check how it works, let's open the meeting on Zoom. Now click here to turn on the video. Now to use the camera, click here and select Iriun webcam. Here you can see that our phone is connected as a webcam and you can see your visual. So this is how you can connect your phone to your computer using the USB cable. So that's it guys. This is how you can use your phone as a webcam. Now if you're using Zoom meetings to attend your video calls and want to learn more about Zoom meeting app, you can watch this video. And if you want to learn more about building and managing websites, you can check out our channel here. Also make sure you click the subscribe button to see more videos from us. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.